Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've partnered up with Sally Beauty to show you my refresh hair regimen for the spring. I start by washing my hair with Shea Moisture's Red Palm shampoo. It is light and deeply cleanses my hair while combating shrinkage, which is really needed with the warmer weather. I then apply Mielle Organics Babassu Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner. The mint feels so refreshing as it tingles on my scalp, and the conditioner adds tons of moisture to my hair. Then I detangle with a wide tooth comb. After detangling, I leave it in for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out. Before styling, I apply Silk Elements Pure Oils Eucalyptus Honey Scalp Mist and distribute it all over my scalp. These pure oils add moisture back to my scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Next, I take a small section and spray water all over my hair to make sure it is super saturated. This helps the product absorb better. Then I apply Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. I use it as a leave-in to keep my hair soft, smooth, and moisturized before applying the styler. I comb it through with a Demon brush to make sure it is evenly dispersed. Next, I apply Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker Styling Gel and also comb it through with a Denman brush. I love that this gel is super light and defines my curls without making them stiff or flaky. I then go back and go through each curl to make sure they are smooth and have enough product. This helps to elongate the curls and prevent frizz. This is super important because with the warmer weather comes humidity, but with the curl maker, my curls remain defined and frizz-free. Now I repeat this process for the rest of my hair. After styling, I apply my Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Edge Gel to smooth down my edges. I love that it has a soft consistency but still keeps my hair in place. Now it's time to diffuse. I use the Ion Magnesium Blow Dryer on medium heat and medium speed with the Conair Pro Diffuser. My hair takes about 20 minutes to dry. Once it's about 90% dry, I take off the diffuser and blow dry my roots to help stretch and elongate my curls. Lastly, I take a hair pick to fluff it out and add volume. And that completes my wash and go routine. Now you can see why these are some of my favorite products for the spring. If you'd like to purchase them, you could do so at sallybeauty.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.